Well, in the previous video, you saw the Craftix belt sander grinder unboxed and had a look at it, but now we need to make the base for it. We're not going to put it on the bench like my other one is. We're going to weld the stand, and I'm going to show you the things I'm going to use to make that happen. The materials that we're working with today is a 3/4 ton brake drum right there. I got a 3-foot piece of 2" by 2" by 1/8 thick square tubing. I have down here is this plate right here is going to be bolted to the base of that, and that's going to hold the square tubing on the bottom. And then this piece right here is what the grinder is going to be mounted on. On second thought, I changed my mind. I could most likely get away using this piece only. I just go to trace everything out. So I got the bottom of the base cut out now. I just need to cut that square out where the tubing's gonna end up going. So we got our piece of scrap metal cut. We need to mount this, and we're gonna do it from the back side. What I'm going to do is going to put some tacks in here to hold it into place. I'm not going to weld this on only because this is cast, and you know this will crack, guaranteed. If I weld that on there, it'll crack. So for safety reasons, I got some nuts and bolts. We're going to bolt it on. So next thing we need to do is to put our pole into place, and we'll get some magnets on there, and once we get her squared up, we'll weld her in. I just got the top piece held on by magnets. Get that light on there. There we go. So now I'll tack weld that up there, and then we'll finish welding that in, and then it'll be done except for paint. Alright, that should work out. Throw some paint on her and call her a day. Not too bad. Alright, well I'm going to end the video there, making the grinder stand. all in all, the only thing I had to buy was the 2x2 steel. Everything else I had here. So out of my own pocket, maybe 30 bucks to build this stand. And ideally, the brake drum works okay, but if I want to spend the money, I would have got more 2x2 and I would have built like a platform on the bottom. That way it would be perfectly straight and level. But right now it's got a little bit of a wobble to it because that brake drum isn't exactly straight. But for my purposes, it'll work. Common sense will tell you not to push too hard or push it over because things may not end well. So if you have any questions or comments, post them below. I just want to thank you guys for watching.